So over here you can see that I got a clip on my timeline, and if I want to work around with its colors and everything else, then I can use the adjust options inside of Blender. So I'm just going to go around and delete the audio layer right here because all I need is the video layer to work around with this. So to adjust out things, on the right hand side you can see adjust is an option, and once you click on it, what happens is that you got different things, like you got the opacity of the video, as you can see, which you can bring in and out. You got the crop option right here, so you can go around over here, crop it out from the left. Right here, as you can see, crop it out from the right, from the top, from the bottom right here. There's different things over here, like there's offsets right here, which allows you to move out the content of the video just like this, as you can see as well. So just like this, you can go around, work around with the video, with the strobes right here. You can reverse out the frames as well to actually turn it opposite right here. So they are actually walking backwards, as you can see right here once I do that. And there's different things over here like color over here, which you can do to increase out saturation, multiply out to actually increase the brightness of the picture according to how you want, and then work around with this, as you can see, how you like it. And that is how you can work around with the video adjust option to change the video look inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.